Hello, so today I'll be doing a chicken roast recipe. It's a Bengali chicken roast recipe. So over here I have 7 chicken leg pieces that I fried in oil, not too much oil, just medium oil, for about 5 minutes on both sides. And then over here we have some of the spices. So we have bay leaf over here, cinnamon over here, black peppercorns over here, cardamom over here, and we also have cloves that's hiding right over here, a few cloves. And we have green chilies for garnish in the end. So over here we have 5 cardamom, bay leaf is 3 that I cut in pieces, cinnamon we have 3 pieces, black peppercorn we have about 4 pieces, and cloves I put 5 pieces. Then we have ginger and garlic paste. I would say about 1 tablespoon each, and I just mix it together over here. Here I have a few different spices. I put about 1 teaspoon for each. One is Kashmiri chili powder, salt, and then sugar, and I also put cumin powder and coriander powder. Over here we have rose water that we'll put in the end. We also have over here onion berista, so I just fried this in oil for a few minutes, maybe like 7 to 8 minutes. Over here we have onion paste that I just put in the blender. This is paste of not pistachio, but it's, let me check, hold on. It's
cashew nuts.
Cashew nuts. Yes, it's cashew paste, cashew nut paste. And lastly over here, this is milk that we heated up in the oil to make it more thick. And this one we actually used it last time and we froze it, so we can use it this time again. And here is, we have shahi jeera that we'll use first. Right here I have a pan over here that I heated up with the oil as well as ghee. So ghee I used about 1 tablespoon. So now it's hot and I'm going to start by putting the shahi jeera in. So let's see. And I'll say that's about a teaspoon as well. And once I put that in, I'm going to add the other spices. And I'll add a little bit of salt so that we don't have the oil bubbling. So we just let this cook for a few minutes and then we will add the garlic and ginger paste. Yeah, I'll add the ginger and garlic paste now. And after this cooks a little bit, I will add the onion paste. Next thing would be to add the other spices that I just mixed in water. And we want to keep this for a few minutes for the onion to be cooked, so you don't get that smell, the raw smell. Now I'll add the mixed spices. Put some water as well. Just add a little bit of water. I have saffron here that I put hot water for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to put this in. And this is for the color as well as for the smell. Also adding the cashew paste now. So now I'm going to add the chicken pieces. Okay, so I just add some water and into the chicken pieces. Now I'm going to add the onion bersta, which was just fried onions. And I would say this is about 4 onions that we cut. Okay, so now what we'll do is we will let it cook for about 25 minutes, and afterwards we'll add the milk or the malai, and then also the rose water, and then you should be all set. So I'm going to cover this and cook it for 30 minutes, and I will show you once we're back in 30 minutes.